In this short video, I'll show you how to change your password on Facebook to enhance your account security or resolve any issues you might be facing. Many users struggle with managing their passwords, especially when they suspect unauthorized access or forget their current ones. Securing your account is crucial to protect your data and maintain your online privacy. Imagine having peace of mind knowing your Facebook account is fully protected and inaccessible to unauthorized users. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar challenges, including securing social media accounts against breaches and recovering access. Stay with me until the end to discover how to quickly and effectively change your Facebook password. Now, let's get started. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the three-line menu icon in the bottom right corner for iPhone users or the top right corner for Android users. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Next, locate the Meta Account Center, which manages your account settings, and tap on it. Once in the Account Center, tap on Password and Security, then select Change Password. If there are multiple Meta accounts linked, select the account you want to change. If you're prompted, enter your current password. If you've forgotten it, choose Forgot Password to reset it using an email or SMS code. Before updating your password, ensure you review and log out of all devices connected to your account for added security. Now, create a strong new password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Retype your new password to confirm it. Tap Change Password to finalize the process. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's cover what to do if the Change Password option doesn't appear in the Account Center. Here are alternate methods if the Change Password option is missing. In the Account Center, go to Personal Details under Account Settings. Tap on Contact Info, then select a phone number or email address linked to your account. Choose the Delete option and, when prompted, click Forgot Password. Facebook will redirect you to a screen where you can select an alternate recovery method to receive a code. Once you receive the code, enter it, and you'll be able to create a new password without additional prompts. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.